Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your mathematics class and I am your teacher Iram Hamid. Dear students, we are going through chapter number 6, factorization. Last time we did exercise 6.4 of the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Now in this exercise we are going to do the formula a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So dear, let's start the exercise. This is type 4. Dear, always remember, whenever you are having any two values, both are having square and there is negative sign in between them, you have to apply this formula, that is a plus b, a minus b. You can prove this right hand side, that will be equal to this left hand side if we multiply both of these values. Now question number 1 is 9 minus x square. We have to solve this question, factorize this question. There is no common value between these two, so directly apply the formula of a square minus b square. 9, this is the square of 3, this is x square. So rewrite the question. 9, this is 3 square minus this is x square. So according to the formula, we have to write these values one time in positive and one time in negative. 3 square minus x, we can write it as 3 plus x one time in positive and 3 minus x one time in negative. This is question number 1. Now do the question number 2. We are having minus 6 plus 6y square. You can do this question in the same way by taking minus 6 as common value, and this can also be done by this, by rearranging the values. Why we are going to rearrange this? Because according to the formula we must have minus sign in between. So 6y positive value come in the first place and minus 6 it will come in the second place. In this question, the first most factorized problem, that is 6, that is 6 can be taken as common. What is left? Y square minus 6 ones are 6, minus 1 is there. 6 will be carried as it is, but if you see, this is y square minus 1 square, and I have told you earlier, whenever you are having any two values, both can be squared and there is negative sign in between, you can write them one time in positive and one time in negative. Take the square of y square, 1 square. So it can be written as y plus 1, y minus 1, and 6 will be carried because 6 is common in this question. This is the answer of this question number 2. So we have factorized minus 6 plus 6y square, that is equal to 6y plus 1 y minus 1. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. They all are of the same pattern as question number 1 and question number 2. Now do question number 7. In question number 7, we are having 7xy square minus 343x. In question number 2, we took only 6 as common, that was the constant value. Now here you can take 7 as common because 343 can also be divided by 7. And you can also take the variable, because you can see here it is not the square of any value. It is not x square. This is simple x. And here you are also having x, so we can take x as common as well. Rewrite the question. 7x y square minus 343x. 7x can be taken as common. Now what is left? 7 taken common, x taken common, y square is left. Minus sign as it is. Divide 343 by 7. This is 49. We have taken x as common already. Take the square of y. This is y square. Take the square of 49, that is 7 square. Now we are having the formation of a square minus b square. We will apply the formula of a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b. Now here it is y plus 7 and y minus 7. So 7xy square minus 343x can be factorized as 7x into y plus 7 and y minus 7. Now move towards question number 9. This is a little bit different from these two questions. Here you are having 11a plus b whole square. That means already you are having a value that is in squared form, but this is a plus b whole square minus 99c square. Beta, just see, you can take 11 as common. So we have taken 11 as common, and what is left? A plus b square minus 99 divided by 11, that is 9c square. It can be squared as this is 3 square, this is c square. A plus b whole square. Now don't be confused with this value. A plus b whole square. Consider that this is only a single value. This is an other value. So according to the formula, a square minus b square, convert it. 11 will be taken as it is. A plus b whole square, that means first value square, minus 9c square means 3c square. Now this is a, this is b. We can write the formula of a plus b and a minus b. A is a plus b plus 3c. Now see, this is a plus b. A is a plus b. Now we have to write one time in negative. We'll take minus sign, 3c. So the formula is same, a plus b, a minus b. Now do question number 10. Question number 10 is also like question number 9, but there is a little bit difference. Here a plus b is the first value, that means the square of any value. Here a minus b is the second value. We'll apply the same formula but a little bit different technique. We'll rewrite the question. 75 minus 3 a minus b whole square. In this is first value, this whole one is second value. Now 3 can be taken as common because 75 can be divided by 3. 3 here you are having 3 common. 75 divided by 3, this is 25. 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. Minus 3 taken as common, you are having a minus b whole square. Now beta, just see, this is a square, 25 is the square of 5. This is as a whole value is b square. So write it as it is, a minus b square. Now the same formula, just see, a square minus b square. Don't take it as two values. This, take it as a whole value. Now write it as one time in positive, one time in negative. 5 plus a minus b. Write it in brackets. Why we have written it brackets? Because we'll open this, and by having this sign positive or negative, the internal signs will change. That's why we have written it in brackets. So a plus b, a minus b. Now open these brackets. 3 will be carried as it is. 5 plus a minus b, the sign will remain same because due to this positive sign, no sign will change. Here 5 minus a, minus plus b. So we are having a plus b, a minus b. Question number 11. Beta, previously we did the question, simple values were there was no fraction. Now in question number 11, fraction is involved. You are having question x minus 9 by 5 whole square minus 36 over 25 y square. First of all, rewrite the question. x minus 9 by 5 whole square minus 36 by 25 y square. As I already have told you that you will consider it as a single value. So this is a square minus b square. A square is x minus 9 by 5 whole square minus b square is 36 is the square of 6, 25 is the square of 5, y as it is as a whole square. Now this is the proper form of a square minus b square. Write it one time in positive and one time in negative. X minus 9 by 5 plus 6 by 5y, one time we have written positive. Next, x minus 9 by 5 a minus b, b is 6 by 5y. So we have written this is a, this is b, a plus b, a minus b. This is done. Now question number 12. 25 x plus 5 by 4 square minus 16 x plus 7 by 4 whole square. Now see, in these two values we cannot take any constant value as common. This is 25 and this is 16. First of all, we'll rewrite the question. 25 x plus 5 by 4 square minus 16 x plus 7 by 4 whole square. Now if we cannot take anything common but we can take the square of this 25, we can take the square of this 16. This 25 is the square of 5. So that means this whole value is 125 x plus 5 by 4 whole square minus, convert it also in the squared form, 4. This is 16 is the square of 4 x plus 7 by 4 whole square. Now see, this whole value has been converted into a single value a square minus this whole has been converted into a single value b square. A square minus b square. Apply the formula of a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, this is b. In the same way, a minus b. Now open these terms. 5 is going to multiply x plus 5 by 4. So multiply it. 5x plus 5 5s are 25 by 4. 4, multiply this 4 by these values. 4x plus 4 7s are 28 over 4. We have opened it. Now open this value. 5 multiplied by x plus 5 by 4. 5x plus 5 5s are 25 by 4 minus 4x. Now see, minus plus minus 4 7s are 28 by 4. But the same terms can be added. This is 5x, this is 4x. 5 plus 4, 9x plus, you are having the same denominator. You must know that if you are having same denominator, the numerators can be added. 4 will remain as it is. Add the numerators. 28 plus 25, that is 53. Second value, 5x minus 4x is x. 25 by 4 minus 28 by 4. 4 denominator same. Plus minus minus, sign minus because 28 is the greater value. 28 minus 25, that is 3. So we have solved this question. 9x plus 53 by 4, that is a plus b and a minus b, by using the formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Question number 13. 16 a plus b whole square minus 49a minus b whole square. Beta, first of all, you will judge which form of factorization it is. Which formula is going to be applied? 16a plus b whole square minus 49a minus b whole square. This is almost the same question as we did in question number 12. 16 is the square of 4, 49 that is the square of 7. So we will convert this whole in the same squared form. First of all, rewrite the question. 16a plus b whole square minus 49a minus b whole square. 16 is the square of 4, a plus b. This is already in square form. We have taken the square of 16. So as a whole, square of this value. Minus a minus b already in squared form. Take the square of 49 is the square of 7. So convert it in a whole form. It's up to you whether apply the formula and write it in one time positive, one time negative, or multiply this 4 by these values. 4a plus 4b, 7a minus 7b. A square, consider it one value, minus b square, consider it one value. Write a plus b, a minus b. A is 4a plus 4b plus b is 7a minus 7b. Same. A is 4a plus 4b minus b is 7a plus 7b. That means a minus b. Fine. Why it is positive here? Because minus minus plus. It has been converted. Now 4a plus 7a, 11a plus minus minus 7b plus 4a, 7 minus 4, 3b, sign minus because 7 is the greater value. 4a minus 7a plus minus 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 3b, 4b plus 7b plus 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 7 and 4, 11. We have written positive value first and negative value after that. We can use the same formulas only by having the numerical values. Just see question number 17. 0.567 square minus 0.433 square, 0.567 minus 0.43. This is simple value. Just see these two values. This is as a whole a square minus this is as a whole b square. We can write it a plus b and a minus b. So just rewrite the question and apply the formula of a plus b and a minus b. This is a, this is b. So a plus b, a minus b. Denominator values will be written as it. Just see these two values as exactly same in the numerator and in the denominator. We can cancel these two values. Both the values are cancelled. What is left? Only 0.567 plus 0.433. These two values can be added. Add these two values. If you add these two values, just see 7 and 3, 10. 6 and 3, 9. 1 carried by here. 10. Again 1 carry over here. 4 and 1, 5. 5 and 5, 10. 1. After that decimal will be there. That can be cancelled. And you are having only 1 as the answer of this whole question by applying the formula. Chicas, this is all from exercise 6.5. Now do the remaining questions of this exercise. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.